Alright, hello guys, today we're going to be talking about a possible Arctic outbreak that's going to extend from the 2nd of March all the way until about the 5th of March, or maybe even beyond that. We can't really tell what the end date is, but we do know that it's going to start making its way in around the 2nd of March. Now, we're going to be talking about this as we go through some of the model runs. We're going to be starting with the European and then moving over to the GFS towards the end of the video. You can see this is actually 12Z, so this is kind of morning times of Friday, March 1st. That's my birthday, actually. And you can see there's still some warm temperatures along that southeast region of the United States, but really the cold air is starting to move in towards the eastern United States by this point. But we're going to move on to 12Z of March 4th, so this is kind of the morning of March 4th, and you can see that the cold has really moved into all of the eastern United States. Very, very cold temperatures from Montana down through Wyoming, Colorado, Oklahoma, Texas, Kansas, Nebraska, Iowa, Missouri, the Dakotas, portions of Minnesota, and Iowa as well. I don't know if I mentioned Iowa, but yeah, very, very cold temperatures. This model is showing negative 30 degrees below average, so very, very cold temperatures. Now we're going to go ahead and move on to the ensemble model just to see if we do have support. We like to see this really show the same thing as the model itself shows. So this is the European ensemble, and you can see it does show the same thing as the European model. This kind of bulks up the confidence that we have in this outlook. Now we're going to be moving on to our GFS model, so we're going to be starting out today just so you can see what these conditions are like. We do have a little bit of an outbreak going on from Montana down through Wyoming, into Nebraska, the Dakotas, Minnesota, Wisconsin, Iowa. Those areas are very cold right now. But we are going to move on to 6Z March 1st, and you can see this is very similar to what the European was showing. Warm southeast, warm southwest. Cold is starting to move into the central United States, though, and Great Lakes regions as well. We are going to move on to the second, and you can see it's starting to make its progression here and getting colder and colder and colder. Montana, Minnesota, the Dakotas, Nebraska, Iowa were all very cold by this point, as well as Wyoming. And then we're going to move on to the fourth, and you can see this is when the cold becomes widespread, just like what the European showed. Very cold temperatures there for the north central United States, but really the southeast, south central, northeastern United States were all kind of below average by this point. And I'm going to show you here that we do have ensemble support as well for the GFS model. This is the GEFS, which is the GFS ensemble model, and this does show a very, very, very similar thing. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in the next video. Please subscribe for similar videos to this. Also, weekly forecasts, monthly forecasts, seasonal forecasts, and also forecasts for storms that are happening around the United States. Anyway, guys, I'll see you in the next video.